We're up in Washington County, Kentucky, surrounded by more than 66 acres of privacy. And the views from this property are the kind you don't forget. Behind me is a massive 5,500 square foot home with 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, a huge wraparound porch, and a setting where you can look in just about any direction and see nothing but Kentucky countryside. basement adds another full bath, a bar area, and an office that could also serve as a sixth bedroom if needed. One of the standout features is the wraparound porch, covering nearly 1,600 square feet and giving you multiple places to sit back and take in those panoramic views. Outside, there's also a small pond, concrete driveway, additional storage, and a Conex building. And with more than 66 acres surrounding the home, there's plenty of room for wildlife, recreation, and simply enjoying the privacy of the property. The home is also being sold completely furnished, with high-end pieces and personal property from around the world remaining on the main and second floors. That makes this especially interesting for someone looking for a turnkey property, and the layout and size also give it potential as a bed and breakfast or vacation rental. You could move in and start enjoying the property without having to start from scratch. And the location gives you the best of both worlds. You're surrounded by complete seclusion, yet Bardstown and Springfield are both only about 10 minutes away. More than 66 acres, a massive furnished home, incredible views, a pond, abundant wildlife, and the flexibility to use this as a private residence or explore a B&B opportunity. This is a rare Kentucky property where the setting may be the biggest feature of all.